Namar bakri India hi barokawai kadan hapdang kajing kang shnong banyakon yau kenyang jingpang COVID-19. Kajing e kipat ba kam day tang hakabayabe bandit thiet yaki marba mardi nre kaba kam kongsan gadeiru itu kebadan hapdang kajing shitom na kajing pang kibaharukom. Bat kam long kabasuk yaki banlej syaki jaka sumar. Kam tam gitu kibala kam jengai nikini jaka sumar. Banweng yang kajing e jung kipat ba hakini ka kenti kawai ni jaka sumar kaba hakini ka jela Meghalaya kalatau da kawai kabut terikam. Kinong peniat jangka North Eastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences Negrims Maudiang-diang. Hadian begliok snow kejing e kinong pang kibawan Pak Sumar ke hospital. Namar barang terekam kejing pakang hagari. Hakini ka kenti kelas sedang dah kebut jing start kejuk mentah dah kebepenon kam dah ke internet bat ke mobile phone. Banis selok bagi kinong pang tang leng bah ke phone neki ap banekran bagi kinong pang bantip ya kejing shitom jongki. Ya kini lapan benar Director ke Negrims Dr. DM Thapa batu Nodal Officer Kshnat Telemedicine Profesor Dr. P Bhattacharya rengkat ke jingidan lang Deputy Director Ubak David Umdor. Kini akan hun jo ke Negrims kala itu baya ke teleconsultation on sedang ban penteri kamno naduk ka khatwi trek mentau bran jemang arajar arpau lengba ki hendre tuli phone number rengkat ki mobile app bat ki desktop app ki number phone ki bagi nong pang ni ki bahayeng jo ki nong pang ki la ban phone ki dei hendreu not kendai not nreu kendai sau not nreu not kendai sau iwei kendai not nreu not kendai sau pra sau san ar nreu not kendai iwei kendai ar kendai not bat hau emergency number kendai sau not ar iwei nyau pra lai sau lai bat barok kini ki phone number ki dei ki bala banle ka WhatsApp. Nalor kini ki phone number kinong pang kilaru ban penan kam dekat Facebook daga bapenan kam dekat ID COVID teleconsultation Negrims bat COVID teleconsultation A Negrims. Bat leng baka Skype bat ka ID kedai RRC telemedicine Negrims bat teleconsultation Negrims. Ki app ki bagi pat ba kila ban penan kam ki kentup ya ka video mobile bat ka video desktop bat kini ki app la ban download na ka Play Store.
We have if they have a desktop computer, they can download from Play Store. This is the Government of India software app, Video Desktop. So they can download Video Desktop onto their computer, and on that the field is there. So when they contact us, automatically their medical registration number is generated. If they are not having a computer but they have a mobile, there is a video mobile, again from Play Store. They can download it. If they have any problem, they can still call us on the mobile numbers and we will attend to their calls. People are comfortable when they are seeing the doctor, and the doctor is comfortable when they are seeing the patient. So we are trying our level best to ensure that the patient will be able to be seen. There are certain limitations. I cannot feel his liver, I cannot feel his kidney on teleconsultation. These are limitations. Previously, these were very important limitations, but in view of the COVID, the government has come out with guidelines that up to a point we can give advice. But if we have never seen the patient and it's depending on a lot of examination, we will have to ask him to go to the nearest health center. There the doctor can write the findings, then they can call us with those findings and we can give our opinions on that basis.